In this lecture, we will discuss order of reaction and molecularity of reaction. So these are the two terms. One term is totally experimental and the second is theoretical. This term is theoretical and this term is experimental. Very important order of reaction as per JEE point of view or need. So, for example, there is a general reaction for both. I am writing A moles of A, B moles of B, C moles of C give product. If I write it by two ways. If I write the rate constant K, A raised per A, B raised per B, C raised per C. Or just I can change these coefficients. I am writing the experimental coefficient. These ABC are the theoretical that we see in the reaction. I am writing here Q R S. Now X Y Z कोई भी ले सकते हैं. This is K is equal to R is equal to rate K, concentration of A raised per A, concentration of B raised per B, concentration of C raised per C. Q, R and S are true coefficient. True coefficient means the coefficient on which rate of reaction actually depend. A, B and C are stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric means which appears in the chemical reaction, जो आपको नजर आ रहे हैं. A, B, C. These are stoichiometric coefficient. So, what is the order of reaction? That is sum of the true coefficient. If we define this as order of reaction, so order of reaction is sum of the true coefficient of reacting species that are involved in rate law expression. So this is your rate law expression. So what your order now is become equal to Q plus R plus S. Okay. True coefficient means the coefficient on which the rate of reaction actually depend. Experiment, हमने experiment करके देखा कि rate of reaction A पे कैसे depend करती है, B पे कैसे depend करती है. So these are the coefficient. And in molecularity, the coefficients are just stoichiometric. जो आपको reaction में नजर आते हैं वही. कभी-कभी किसी reaction के लिए PQR या this QRS ABC के equal भी हो सकते हैं. लेकिन not always. Sometimes. What is molecularity? If we want to define this molecularity, that is equal to the number of molecules, or I will say reacting molecules, which react simultaneously, or which you can say collide simultaneously to give product. जितनी स्पीसीज जितने रिएक्टेंट साइमल्टेनियसली कोलाइड करेंगे उतना ही उसकी मॉलिक्यूलरिटी होगी. तो जो जिस रिएक्शन में देयर इज ओनली वन रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल, ओनली एक ही मॉलिक्यूल इन्वॉल्व होता है, उसको हम यूनिमॉलिक्यूलर रिएक्शन बोलते हैं. तो मॉलिक्यूलरिटी को हम लिखते हैं यूनी मॉलिक्यूलर, बाई मॉलिक्यूलर, ट्राई मॉलिक्यूलर reactions. Unimolecular means only one reactant species is involved in the reaction. Bimolecular means two species collide simultaneously. Two species collide simultaneously. And trimolecular means three species. So bimolecular reactions are, generally the reactions are bimolecular. Trimolecular or tetramolecular reactions are very rare. क्योंकि साइमल्टेनियसली अगर कोई चीज कोलाइड करती तो वो दो स्पीशीज ही हैं. आप देखिए एक्सीडेंट भी इतने देखे होंगे, उसमें भी साइमल्टेनियसली एक समय दो ही जो है व्हीकल्स स्ट्राइक करते हैं. 3, 4 या 5 दैट इज वेरी रेयर. सेम हियर इन केमिस्ट्री. व्हाट इज ऑर्डर? ऑर्डर हमने कर ही लिया कि ऑर्डर की वैल्यू जो है वो 0 भी हो सकती है, वो माइनस भी हो सकती है, वो प्लस भी हो सकती है, वो फ्रैक्शन भी हो सकती है. लेकिन मॉलिक्यूलरिटी की वैल्यू जो है 1, 2, 3 ऐसे होगी. Molecularity can never be 0, cannot never be negative, can never be in fraction. Okay. Now we will do some problems based upon this order of reaction. For the reaction, first problem है for the reaction A plus B to form product. The rate law expression is given. Rate law expression is R K raised power वन बाई 3 और B raised power 2. This is given. This is experiment. है ना? So what we have to find? What is the order of reaction? And B units of rate constant. Units of rate constant. If concentration is measured in, if concentration is measured in mole per decimeter cube and time in seconds. So this is a problem. It's very easy. First of all, part A, what is order of reaction? We will write 1 by 3 plus 2, sum of the two coefficient. It become equal to 7 by 3. Okay. Next thing is units of K. Unit of K क्या होते थे? मोल पर लीटर. अब क्या ले लेंगे? मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब 1 by n per second. Put the value of n. This order of reaction is n. Put the value of n 7 by 3. It's mole per decimeter cube 1 minus 7 by 3 per second. 1 minus 7 by 3 ये आपका आ जाएगा 4 by 3. ओके. माइनस का तो ये हमारा मोल पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब माइनस 4 by 3 पर सेकेंड. यूनिट क्या बन गए? मोल की पावर माइनस 4 by 3, डेसीमीटर की पावर आ जाएगा हमारा 4. ओके. तो ये बन जाएगा हमारा मोल माइनस 4 by 3 डेसीमीटर की पावर 4 पर सेकेंड. तो ये हमारे हो गए यूनिट. ओके. सो वेरी इजी. Just what is order of reaction? Just add these powers. That will be your order of reaction, and based upon order of reaction you can find the unit. Problem 2. Problem 2 is, suppose the reaction given 2A plus B to form product. The next problem, 2A plus B to form product. Rate law expression is given, K A raised power 2 B raised power -1. फाइंड क्या करना है आपने, पार्ट ए ऑर्डर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए, बी ऑर्डर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बी, सी ओवरऑल ऑर्डर, डी इफेक्ट ऑन रेट, if concentration of A is doubled. Okay, E part, effect on rate if concentration of B, effect on rate if concentration of B reduced to 1/3. F, find rate if volume of container is doubled. ये क्वेश्चन तो आंसर सीधा सीधा ऑर्डर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए इज 2, इसका आंसर तो 2 हो गया. Order with respect to B is -1 and overall order 2 plus -1 1. Then D. For such type of questions, when the concentration is increased or decreased and you have to find the rate, so just use this. When we write change in concentration equal to, change in rate at this side. Here take change in concentration raised per order. Like see this part D. Effect on rate. Rate A is doubled. Concentration is doubled means 2, and order is 1. Overall order is 1. So when you increase the concentration of A double, so with respect to A the order is 2. With respect to A the order is 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, so rate that increases 4 times. Simple. This is D part. E part, effect on rate if concentration of B reduced to okay, then write rate concentration reduced to 1/3. किसकी concentration है, B की. What is the order with respect to B is -1. So what will be the rate? That increases 3 times. Rate become 3 times. Last, if the volume of the container is doubled, what will be the rate if the volume is doubled? जब वॉल्यूम डबल करेंगे तो कंसंट्रेशन ए की भी हाफ हो जाएगी, बी की भी हाफ हो जाएगी. ए की हाफ हो जाती है तो हाफ बाय 2, बी की हाफ हो जाती है तो हाफ बाय -1. तो ओवरऑल क्या बन जाएगा, ये हाफ. सो रेट बिकम हाफ. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन क्विकली कैलकुलेट दी प्रॉब्लम्स बाय यूजिंग दिस. ओके, सो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम इसी एनसीईआरटी में है, वो साथ साथ आपने करनी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सपोज वी हैव A plus B to form product. Now there are two statements given. If concentration of A is doubled, the rate becomes 4 times. दूसरी स्टेटमेंट उसने दे दी, इफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ बी इज ट्रिपल्ड, रेट बिकम 1/3. Find the order. Find the order of reaction. With respect to A कितना होगा, with respect to B कितना होगा, और overall कितना होगा. How do you think about this problem? We have to find the value of n. So change in rate, change in concentration, raised by n. You have to find n. So first case is rate become 4 times. It is 4. And change in concentration. A concentration of A is double 2. What is n? N is 2. So order of reaction with respect to A is 2. Easy. Second, apply steps. 1 second. Order rate become 1/3. Concentration of B tripled. Okay, what will be n? N will be -1. So what will be the overall rate expression? R is equal to K, A raised by 2, B raised by -1. What is the order? 2 plus -1, 1. Order with respect to A is 2. Order with respect to B is -1. So by using this you can calculate very easily such type of problems. So ऐसी प्रॉब्लम NCERT में भी दी हुई है, आप वो अच्छे से करोगे.